Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to edit captions on TikTok. Adding a caption allows you to describe your video, add context, or include hashtags for better reach. To start, open the TikTok app and click on the plus icon. Go to any video that you want to add captions to. From here, click on the settings that looks like a horizontal phone. Then click on text. Go back 2 times and you'll see an option called Captions. Just click on it and TikTok will automatically add captions and detect your language also. After entering your captions, review it to make sure everything is correct. Then proceed to post your video by tapping on Next or the arrow icon on the top right. You can also save it as a draft if you want to make further edits later. We learned how to edit captions on TikTok and save it as a draft before posting so we can make further edits later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.